The 2025 Pontiac GTO marks the triumphant return of an iconic muscle car, seamlessly blending classic design elements with modern performance and technology. This revival pays homage to its storied heritage while introducing innovations that cater to contemporary automotive enthusiasts. The 2025 GTO's exterior design masterfully fuses nostalgia with modern aesthetics. The front fascia features the signature split grille, reminiscent of classic Pontiacs, enhanced with active aerodynamic elements that adjust based on speed and cooling requirements. Sleek LED headlights wrap around the fenders, providing an aggressive and predatory stance. The muscular side profile is accentuated by a pronounced character line running the car's length, culminating in a fastback roofline that echoes earlier GTO models. Functional hood scoops improve airflow to the engine, blending form with function. At the rear, a striking LED light bar spans the width of the vehicle, complemented by quad exhaust tips and a subtle rear spoiler that enhances stability without compromising the sleek design. Under the hood, the 2025 GTO offers multiple engine options to cater to a range of driving preferences. A 6.2 liters V8 producing 455 horsepower and 455 pounds-to-feet of torque, enabling a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in approximately 4 seconds. A 6.2 liters supercharged V8 delivering 650 horsepower and 600 pounds-to-feet of torque, achieving a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 3.5 seconds and an estimated top speed of 200 miles per hour. A twin-turbo 6.6 liters V8 engine generating over 700 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, placing it firmly in supercar territory. These powertrains are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive gear shifts. The rear-wheel drive configuration, combined with advanced suspension and handling technologies, provides exceptional agility and driving dynamics, whether on twisty roads or drag strips. Inside, the 2025 GTO offers a driver-centric cockpit adorned with premium materials such as leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system serves as the command center, featuring high responsiveness and seamless integration with smartphone platforms. An augmented reality head-up display projects essential driving information onto the windshield, enhancing situational awareness. For audiophiles, an optional premium sound system boasts 16 speakers and 1000 watts of power, delivering an immersive audio experience. The 2025 GTO is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. An augmented reality head-up display further enhances safety by providing real-time information directly in the driver's line of sight. These features work together to enhance driver confidence and occupant protection. To accommodate diverse driving preferences, the GTO offers multiple driving modes. Prioritizes fuel efficiency for daily commutes. Balances performance and comfort for everyday driving. Enhances throttle response, holds gears longer, and provides a more aggressive exhaust note. Unleashes the GTO's full performance potential, optimizing handling, throttle response, and transmission speed for high-performance driving. These modes allow drivers to tailor the vehicle's dynamics to their specific needs, from efficient daily driving to spirited track sessions. The reintroduction of the Pontiac GTO positions it in a competitive muscle car market, facing rivals such as the Dodge Challenger, Ford Mustang, and Chevrolet Camaro. Each competitor has its own loyal fanbase and represents the muscle car heritage deeply. However, The GTO sets itself apart by combining classic muscle car appeal with cutting-edge modern performance and innovative technology. Its blend of nostalgia and innovation is likely to resonate with both longtime enthusiasts and new generation drivers seeking a retro-inspired design with modern functionality. The 2025 Pontiac GTO is expected to have a starting price of approximately $45,000, with higher performance variants and additional options potentially increasing the cost. Production is slated to begin in late 2024, with the vehicle anticipated to arrive in dealerships by early 2025. The 2025 Pontiac GTO represents a harmonious blend of heritage and innovation, offering a compelling option for enthusiasts seeking a modern muscle car experience. With its striking design, powerful engine options, advanced technology, and competitive pricing, the GTO is poised to make a significant impact in the automotive market, appealing to both nostalgic fans and new admirers alike.